Hey, boss, I really just wanted to check in with you to see if you're doing okay. I see you out here killing it, making your cool drinks, selling them to people, doing the thing, educating, working hard. You are killing it, and you're helping so many people out there. It's honestly difficult to count. So I'm here to make sure that you have the executive support you need as the badass founder, business owner that you are. While it is true that some of us already have teams of support, it's cool. That's great. But the thing is, very few people on our teams within our business can understand what it's like to be a founder and understand exactly the type of support that you need. While your employees and your team is doing everything they can to make sure your business is going well, it's your job to provide them stability, which means there's certain subjects and topics that are just inappropriate and impolite to vent or talk to your employees or team about. That's where I come in. If you'd like to learn how to make your non-alc business, whether it is a brick and mortar bottle shop, a lounge, whether it's online, you do some e-commerce, you're an affiliate, no matter what your revenue streams are, whether they're in person or not, if you want to learn how to not only optimize your business to be able to take an unplugged vacation yourself and to allow the business to run itself, but also so you can make the impact that you came here to do, go ahead and check the caption. So, this toast, my dear boss friend, is for you. All of your hard work is paying off. And if you're not really feeling or seeing the effects of it now, trust me, I can see it from here. And I would absolutely love to just keep cheering you on. Way to kill it. You're amazing.